Start. Back.
You gotta be fucking kidding me. How did I die like that?
You're dead. He killed me, he's 1 HP. Oh my god. This is unreal. 1 HP. I should have just finished them all. I just should have hit them with this stupid ass thing. Holy shit, man. This is about to be hell. I have a hammer too.
Oh my god, dude, it's finally over. I did it. Oh my god.
Good job, dude.
I beat fucking Black Blizzard. Yes, dude. That took forever.
Good job, bro.
Oh my god, so much struggling just to get past the beginning. Oh my god, grinding this level, dude. That sucked. Major horsecock. That sucked. That sucked so much horsecock, dude, but I'm glad it's done. I'm glad it's done. This is my 5th hardest, by the way. This is my 5th hardest.
I'm on New Game Plus 5. Dude, I died to Margit.
No shit, dude.
Oh my god, this is gonna suck.
Alright, I'm about to count up my attempts. Hold on, where's my phone?
I want to go to the round table. Melana's actually into girls. It's confirmed.
Okay, so the actual
I
level,
can marry Ronnie.
8,473. And 3,942 on the copyable. So this took 12,415 attempts, like 2K less than Digital Descent. I'm so glad that's done, dude. This was such a bitch to grind. Yeah, I'm gonna be going for my new hardest finally.